Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called TOUCHBeauty. And pretty much what this is a 2-in-1 nail polisher dryer. So basically all you guys have to do is like put your nail underneath when you guys are doing your nail polish or whatever. So first thing first, I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first before we test out and whatnot. So when we first open the product itself, you guys can see that they basically provide you this product right here. And then inside, they also provide you a little user guide or instruction guide to teach you guys how to use the product and all the different functionality that's on here. So this is basically what it looks like. As you can see, they have the brand logo right here, TOUCHBeauty Essentials. The bottom part, you guys can see they have the anti-grip material right here and here and here. So that way it won't be moving when you guys put it on the actual table itself. So there's a slot right here to open up. And then you guys will need to put in your own batteries. They don't provide you guys the battery. You will need 3 AAA batteries to use this. So let me actually put in the battery first to show you guys how it works. Alright, so we have the battery in and everything. Basically how this works is that once you guys finish doing your nail polish or whatever, you just have to put your hand in like this and push down right here because there's an activation button right here. So just push it down like this. As you can see. So it has the UV light, but also has the fan that's going through here to air dry your hand and whatnot, which is pretty awesome. And what's really cool about this product is the fact that it's so small and so portable, so you can bring this anywhere you guys want to. So obviously for me, I'm not really going to be using this since I don't really do my nails and whatever. But I got this as a gift for someone. So that's why I wanted to review it first and see how it works and when actually it works or not. And then I'm going to give it to them as a gift. And also the product itself is actually really safe to use. It won't harm your hand or anything. Like you guys can even read the reviews on Amazon if you guys want to. There's like over 500 reviews for this product. So you guys can kind of tell that the product itself actually does work and actually works really well. And a lot of people like it or love it a lot. So now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously for myself, I wouldn't say it's worth it for me because I don't plan on using this since I don't have like nail polish or I don't really do my nails and whatever. But if you guys do use nail polish on your nails and whatever and you guys want to dry it really fast, then this will definitely be really worth it for you guys. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. But if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have